In our series on science and technology, today we will be discussing Predator drone. The Predator drone, also known as the MQ-1 Predator, is an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems. It has played a significant role in modern warfare and surveillance operations, transforming the way military forces gather intelligence and carry out targeted strikes. The Predator drone is equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and communication systems that allow it to conduct long-endurance flights and gather real-time intelligence in various operational environments. It is primarily used for surveillance, reconnaissance, and target acquisition missions. The drone's ability to loiter over a specific area for extended periods provides a persistent eye in the sky, allowing military forces to monitor activities, track targets, and gather valuable information without risking human lives. Key feature of the Predator drone is its ability to carry out precision strikes with Hellfire missiles or other guided munitions. This capability has made it a vital tool in counter-terrorism operations, particularly in regions such as Afghanistan, Pakistan, and Yemen. The drone's ability to strike targets with great accuracy minimizes collateral damage and reduces the risk to friendly forces. Moreover, the Predator drone's long-range capability allows it to operate beyond the reach of conventional aircraft, providing a flexible and adaptable platform for missions in remote or hostile environments. It can fly at high altitudes, making it difficult to detect and engage by enemy air defenses. Furthermore, the drone's real-time data transmission capabilities enable commanders to make informed decisions quickly. They can receive live video feeds, analyze the situation, and adjust their plans accordingly, enhancing the overall effectiveness of military operations. These features are particularly crucial for India, given its vast borders, both land and maritime. The drone can provide continuous surveillance, detect any suspicious activities, and alert security forces in a timely manner. The Predator drone's precision strike capabilities can be utilized for neutralizing threat while minimizing risks to Indian forces. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.